Some time ago, someone special wrote to us. I'm 22 years old, I'm blind, but I love motorcycles. Through touch, I get to know every shape of them, the very form of these machines, and the possibility of feeling them gives me immense joy, and their sound and presence give me freedom. I put on the gloves, I put on the helmet. I was ready. And then I rode. Even if just for a moment, it was enough. That sound, for me, it's something more than just a machine. You don't need to see to feel freedom.